back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the new Peacock and the new furniture and the new house upgrade. So, you might be like, why am I so 2 days late? The thing is that, guys, I don't know what happened with my Roblox account. I just could not log in. The service crashed. I tried so hard to get in, and now I don't know what happened. It's just back to normal. And now, today, we're going to be taking a look at the new house. Okay, so now let me just change house. I have a nice amount of money because I was saving up for a few days because of the new ocean. Oh, there's the house. Okay, it's only $1,800. Okay, that's nice. Precious bite. What? Oh, it's pink. You could change the color. Wow. Okay, that is very nice. Let me just change it light pink. I like that pattern. Yeah, I was really worried that I would have to live in a blue house. Yeah, I love it already. Oh, mine's so white. Why did everything? Oh, okay. My game was loading. Okay, so we have chairs here. Oh, what? Okay, that's what? I'm confused. Okay, we have this kitchen area, and you go upstairs. I think this is going to be one of the weird houses which doesn't have a mat, but it just stairs and stuff. Okay, stairs are here. Let's see what is here. Okay, we have a balcony. Oh, there's also upstairs. Wow, there's so many floors. This is a nice house. Oh my god, this is creepy. Very creepy. I just like okay. What is this place? Now let's just take a look from the house from the out. Oh, what? I entered from there. I'm confused. What happened? Oh, so this is the back place. What? This is confusing me. Let's see how the picture looks. Okay, this is confused. Oh, so this is the back one. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I understand now. So like that is the back entrance. Okay. Now we're going to taking a look at the new retro furniture. I saw. Okay, let's see. Stuff. Oh, retro aquatic. Retro. Oh, this. What? Come on, see. Oh, okay. This is the. Oh, why do I always do these things? This is the retro aquatic table, which is $120. Okay, that is very expensive, but okay. Can I change? Oh, I mean. Oh, okay, okay. So these lines change. Let's just put this right here so we can take a better look. Actually, let's try that on the other room. I think that would. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this is the table. It has a little fish tank and wow, okay, that is really nice. It's a nice lounge table and what? Okay, stuff, new retro aquatic pet bowl. Okay. Oh, this is nice. I like it. Wait, what? Why? Okay, my game was loading. I think the parts of the brown parts are going to. Okay, this is really nice. I love it. And now let's see what else do we have. We have the retro aquatic shower. Oh, okay. Wow, this is nice. I like it. I'm going to change it to light pink because that's one of my favorite colors. Let's put it right here and see what happens. I love the fish tank, like the things. Yeah. Let's see how it look like. Oh, wait, what? I thought you were able to see the fishes slit. Oh, that's the right way. Okay, I'm kind of disappointed. That's okay. Never mind. Okay, what else do we have? We have the retro aquatic fridge. Guys, I love fridges that are like these water, like there is a mermaid one. I'm pretty sure there is. I think that is this one is so much better than that one. What is the color? Oh wow, this one is so nice. I love it. It's awesome. And what else do we have? We have the retro aquatic crib. Oh, what? Okay. Oh wow, this one is also so nice. Let's do this one. But I don't know why the colors sometimes don't work. What? This is twice in a row. Okay. Wow. This. Okay. Um. Let's try with the frost flurry. No, actually, the neon unicorn. I think that will look. Wait, what? Can I also sleep? I'm confused. Why is there not a button right here? What? Okay. Sorry, my bad. Wow, this is so nice. It's really cute. Okay, now let's see what else do we have. Stuff new. We have the retro aquatic pet bed. Okay. Oh, I love it. This one too. This is very comfortable. I can see. Oh, okay. Why did I take out my ginger cat? Why not? Oh, okay. This one is nice too. I like it. What else do we have? We have the new, and we have the retro aquatic bed, which is very expensive, but that's okay. Oh wow, it has the speaker thing. I don't know what you call it. I'm pretty sure that's what you call it. Wow, this one looks so nice. It even has a TV. It's awesome. I love it. This is my favorite so far. I mean, that's love. Guys, did you see that? I could actually sit on the bed. Okay, maybe a glitch. And guys, now we're gonna go take a look at the peacock. I already got one. I don't. I just wanted to record. My recording was on. I know I didn't record. It has a mood of its own. I'm in a private server, by the way. And first, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the stool thing. I don't know what you call it. Then I'm gonna show you guys. So this is how it looks like. It's very fancy, if you ask me. Like, it's very fancy, and the price of this is 550 Robux. I got it. Let me show it to you guys. Where it is. I named it blue because I know I just like it. The tricks are right at the moment. It's a junior, so it's like joyful, and yeah, I think it's really nice. Now let me just go back to my home, and we're gonna try the new, like, what do you call it? I mean the furniture on the peacock. I'm just like okay. Wow, I really like it. It's gonna make an amazing house. I'm pretty sure of that. Guys, comment down below if you want me to make a video of making my dream house because I really want to do that. Okay, let's see. Why can't I pick it up? Why can't I pick my bed? Okay, let's try this one. Oh, look at how she's sleeping. She has like her tailed. I know how to explain it. Okay, and let's see how she eats. Peacock. Wow, her feathers are so funky. Very actually. So guys, I think this was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell. Until then, bye.